Pursuing versus attracting. If you are pursuing a partner, it is a less than ideal way of getting a partner. Think about the nature of pursuing something. When you're pursuing something, what are we doing? We're running a moving app, we're chasing it. And if we're chasing something, that means something is moving away from us. Instead of, we want to attract, we want what we want and desire to move to us, not run away from us, and we have to chase it and pursue it. So pursuing is not an ideal way to receive your mate or your partner, your companion, or the love of your life. You are to attract the partner you desire. First, you must work on yourself. Why? Because you will attract what you are. If you are a dishonest individual, the probability, law of probability says you're going to attract someone who's dishonest. If you are trustworthy, you will attract someone who's trustworthy like yourself. If you are dependable, kind, you're going to attract someone with the same qualities. So working on yourself is very, very important. Yes, everyone wants to attract. It can be done, but it has to be done in the right sequential order to have success. These things must be done. They're prerequisites. You must work on yourself first. Because as it old adage says, I want the right person. I want to meet the right person. Well, that takes two. You're the right person, and this person over here. That person has the same desire. They want to meet the right person. So both of you have to work on yourselves first.